So JSP example on XML syntax of a declaration tag. So, actually I should not be writing here. I'm writing directly example. Okay. I started directly writing example. Return J multiply by K. Okay. Fine. If you want the syntax, so this is the syntax. Only I provided already index. Okay. Variable declaration, method definitions. Okay. Okay, guys. So in this block of code, you can able to write. You can able to declare the methods and as well as you can declare the variables. Okay. Variable declarations initialize. You can initialize also. Variable declaration come initializations. And this is example. The same example that we wrote yesterday's class. You can write the same example here. Fine. Just grab this code and paste into. Fine. This is not going to work, right? So I should. What should I do? Delete. Delete a. Deleted. Fine. So I'll paste it here. Pasted. Also parallelly, let me close my server and then let me delete that. Let me delete that declaration example dot declaration example underscore JSP dot Java file. However, dot class file is not generated because Java C compiler does not allow to define the same methods. Right? So that's what the page is not compiled and it throws the error. So now again I will restart the server. Did I save? Yes. Not saved. Let me save. Save. Okay, fine. What should I do? I need to restart the server. So restart once again. Now you will realize why I use the Tomcat. How would I use the WebLogic? How would I use the Glassfish? Why use the Tomcat? It's a lightweight now. I can start within a second. I can close within a second. Right? But to start a WebLogic, it takes 30 seconds. Even the high-end machine also, it takes 30 seconds to 1 minute. Right? Huh? To start a WebLogic, it is taking 1 minute. To shut down the WebLogic server, application server, it is taking 1 minute. What should I do till then? I'll be idle. It is actually a heavy. Okay? So just refresh the page. Okay? Actually, I didn't call that response. Let me call that response also. Okay? Let me use what? Let me call that. No, I don't want this. Do I show the output under the server console or browser window? Where do you want to see? Server console. Okay, I'll show both. Control Z. Out.println. Multiplication method is mul method. Okay. What should I call here? Plus mul of pass the values. Right? The browser window. That's it. Okay. Done. Save it. Refresh the web page. Actually, it's coming here. Let me add the break tag. Look, reloading now. Okay. Same is printed to twice the number of times you give the request. Okay. That means number of times do get, do post, service, underscore JSP service method will be called. Already I had explained this point, but it is now also it is proved. Declaration only once, right? Service. Oh, it is called destroy method. Destroyed and again initialized. Right? Huh? Okay. Fine, guys. So this is one more example of a, what can I say, reload. This is one more example of a JSP with a declaration tag, but by using XML code. Now we shall see expression tag. I do not expression tag. Third, JSP expression tag.